Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back. Nobody told me, no warning, no hint, no quiet voice, trying to prepare me for what I was about to face. I walked into the truth like it didn't exist, like everything was still the same, like you were still the person I believed in. Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back, and maybe that's what hurts the most, not just what you did, but how I found out suddenly, unacceptably, without time to prepare my heart for the weight of that reality. Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back, and I keep replying everything now, every moment, every conversation, every time I trusted you without question. And I wonder, was it real? Or was I the only one living in something I thought we shared? Because the truth feels different now. It feels uncertain, like something I once understood has been rewritten without my knowing. Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back. And I wish you had, not because it would have made it easier, but because honesty, even when it hurts, is better than finding out through silence and broken trust. Because betrayal is not just what happens, it's how it's hidden, how it grows in the dark. Will everything else pretends to stay the same? Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back, and now everything feels different. Your words, your actions, your presence, even your silence means something else now, because once a trust breaks, nothing feels the same again. Not even the memories, not even the moments that once felt real. They started to question themselves. They started to feel uncertain, like something was missing. Even then, something I didn't see. Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back. And I ask myself, would have noticed if I looked closer? Would I have seen the signs if I wasn't so focused on believing in you? Because I trusted you fully, without hesitation, without doubt. And maybe that's why this hurts the way it does, because trust, once a broken, doesn't just disappear, it leaves behind questions that don't easily find answer. Nobody told me you were doing this behind my back, and now I stand here, not just hurt, but changed because something inside me